to Helsinki, Finland. Some beautiful bikes from France. Extreme framework. Fantastic work. Okay, who do we have here?
What?
What's your name?
What's my name? It's Nico.
And from France,
From
yeah.
France.
And could you, in short, explain what the hell do we see in front of us?
Yes, it's our last bike where we have done almost all the bike except the engine, which is Sportster.
Yeah.
After we've done the forks, the wheel, rear arm loop on gas tank, frame, and for this Sportster we do special parts like primary cover,
Yeah.
rocker cover, and cam cover.
But that you do, so your main production is different covers for Harleys or customs.
Exactly.
Yeah.
On a little bit frame with a arc tail kit.
So how much is a frame like this in euro?
In euro, a frame like this one for bobber or shopper start at 2,000, a little bit more.
Yeah. Is this a company bike or you sold it to a customer or?
For the moment, it's only to show our parts.
To show your parts.
Normally, it's my everyday bike.
But could you register a bike like this in France or is it legal or?
Yes, it's 300% legal.
300%, okay.
Et bonjour de la France.
Bonjour à la vente.
The model, the primary cover.
So how much is that in euro?
In euro, 700 euro with
700?
with all tax.
Oh boy.
You have the
Right on. Great.
You have in raw finishing, polished finishing, on some parts you could have in
Bronze?
brass, solid brass.
Yeah.
It's our air filter,
Yeah.
where it's special to be engraved.
All right.
We sell it just raw or polished, and you finish the work yourself. You grab,
Aha, okay. Yep.
you can make your logo or so on, as you want.
Okay, nice.
It's an example.
All right. Thank you, and now have a cigarette outdoors.
No.